Hi, and welcome to OnceHub tutorials. My name is Lokesh and I'm part of the OnceHub support team. In this video, I will show you how to change a booking page or master page link in OnceHub and explain what happens when you update a link. Booking page and master page links are used across all of OnceHub's share and publish options. In some cases, you may need to change the link. For example, when a booking page is reassigned to a different user. When you update a link, the former link will no longer work. Any sharing or publishing methods you used previously will need to be updated with the new link. Customers who booked using the former link will not be able to cancel or reschedule through that old link, so it's important to notify them if necessary. Now let's take a look on how to make this change. Log into your OneSub account, then from the left hand sidebar go to Booking Pages. In this section, you can select the relevant booking page or the master page for which you would like to update the link. Here, I will use the master page as an example. Next, in the overview section of the master page, select the edit icon next to your current link. This will open a pop-up screen where you can make changes to the public link. Once you have made the changes, click on Save to apply the changes, and the link has now been updated. You might want to change a booking page or master page link if you are reassigning a page to a new user. For example, if the original host leaves or changes roles, updating the link ensure it points to the new user. Another reason could be to refresh a published link. If the link was shared publicly or in market campaigns, changing it can give you a cleaner, updated URL. You may also need to correct a typo or a confusing custom URL. Updating the link in this case improves clarity for the customers. Finally, if the same booking page is periodically used for multiple purposes, changing the link can help distinguish between different campaigns or services. By following these steps and understanding these scenarios, you can keep your booking page or master page links organized, accurate, and aligned with your scheduling needs. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next OneSub tutorial.